Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if a system update won't install on your Redmi 17. First of all, try simply restarting your smartphone by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time and swiping the circle down to reboot. After that, swipe down the control center, tap the gear icon to open settings. Then select About Phone. Check your device's storage. Make sure that you have enough storage space on your device, and if you don't, make sure to clear it by deleting some unused applications and some large files from your device until you have enough storage space to install the new update. Also, go to the Wi-Fi menu and make sure that you are connected to the stable Wi-Fi network. And lastly, scroll down to Apps menu. Tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner and make sure to show all apps here. Right now I have the option to hide system apps. We have to actually show them. Now let's scroll down until we find Updater. Select the updater, select Storage, tap Clear Data, then Clear Cache, tap OK. Then return back to About Phone and tap on Xiaomi HyperOS and let this application check for an update. And this time it should be able to install it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.